You're doing it messy.
This is man cooking. Look at that. Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We had an awesome night last night. We had a proper good feed with jacket potatoes and kebabs and all the rest of it. If you've not seen that video, you need to check out the previous one. But we did plan to make an awesome full English breakfast this morning on the fire maple grill. But
not really hungry, are we?
No, not yet. No, we've enjoyed our morning Saturn in the sun, and yeah, don't want to feed yet.
Also, turns out we have to be out by 11, and it's 10:30, so we better get packing so we're not terribly late. And then we've come up with a plan that we're gonna take a nice ride on the coast, show you some amazing spots for bikers, and we're planning to make our breakfast there if possible.
This is a stunning little place, this is, so yeah, give us a minute, take the tent down and you can come on down with us. We decided that all camping is just another excuse to sit around doing fuck all in the sun for a while, and we quite like that, we're quite good at that. So yeah, I think that's why we seem to quite enjoy camping.
Camping for 2 days in one location is definitely a good tactic to have.
Somebody was saying in the YouTube comments for one of our last videos that his rule is he always camps for at least 2 days in every spot so that he's got time to relax the next day and cook and eat and whatnot, which does sound like a good idea. Beautiful here, isn't it? Devon and Cornwall in the summer on a good day like this is just stunning. It's as good as, you know, many places in Spain and, you know, other places we've been. Well, the problem is that these hot sunny days aren't as frequent as it is in Spain and Portugal and all the rest of it. But we're glad to be here while the weather is good. We're going to exploit it to the max and show you guys as much as we can around Devon, Cornwall and what else the UK has to offer. Scotland, NC500, Lake District, Yorkshire Moors, there's so much to see.
I really want to go back to Scotland and explore it on a slower pace, you know, just the two of us.
Go slow, see more. That seems to be our motto, and it's working well. Anyway, come down into Lyme, Regis, chuck a right here at the Rock Point Inn and go between these gates here in front of us, and this is where you'll often find a lot of bikers parked up. And today is no different by the looks of it. I do love the look of these big Harleys and stuff. Look at that, gorgeous in the sun.
Look at the barbecue spot we found.
Beautiful here, isn't it?
So
Check that out. That is the Jurassic Coast. That's where they keep having rockfalls. You see people walking along there and they're all looking for fossils.
yeah, we tried to find a place far away from people and seagulls.
Yeah, we'll see how that works out. When me and Eva first started dating, I took Eva looking for fossils.
Yeah,
and we took a couple of little hammers from the garage. I don't know nothing about fossil hunting, but what I did do was nip into the gift shop and buy a couple of crystal ones and put them in my pocket and made sure that Eva found something.
Yes,
That's how
I
a man
still have
wins.
it.
You do, that's how a man wins, you see, forward thinking. Grill pan. I love this thing. Proper man cooking. Look at that.
And breakfast for
Job
lunch.
done. Oh, I don't need a lighter, do we? That thing's like a hot air balloon. It's awesome. A couple of Sanford cider pork sausages.
Random Monday in May, everyone's at work, we're at the beach frying up breakfast for lunch.
That's not too bad, is it?
But you know also what? We could have just bought breakfast.
Yeah, but where's the fun in that? The thing I like about all this is that it becomes the event to go out and, you know, and to cook up your
seagulls.
food. Yeah, I know, I was watching him.
Uh-oh.
He knows they ain't done yet, he'll be waiting.
He'll be waiting when you're trying to bite it.
Yeah, but as I was saying, what I like about it is that it's something to go out and do together, isn't it? As opposed to go sit in a restaurant and pay 50 quid. I really like this whole process, it's great.
Yeah.
We got Sanford cider pork sausages. The Sanford is from a small place, I don't know, 10 miles away from us where they make local cider. You don't get any better than that.
I'm pretty sure they are eyeing our sausages.
Yeah, definitely. So
They're making a plan now.
right, next up, breakfast cook up at lunchtime, obviously. Bacon. Now, you'll have to excuse Eva's poor decisions. Even the butcher tried telling her it's the wrong bacon. I don't know what I can do with this one, but...
I like a streaky bacon, what can I do?
You'd be crying in a minute trying to get my proper bacon.
No.
Yeah.
If anything, it feels like this fire maple got too much power.
It has.
This is really fast.
It's really good, isn't it? Your bacon's so thin, look.
Token of gesture.
I got the fanciest eggs I could find. Free-range bluebell Araucana eggs. I've no idea what that is.
I don't think I had one, did I? No.
No idea. Eggs is eggs, isn't it, surely?
Ooh, you're doing it messy.
This is man cooking. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
Woo! I was worried about being sticky, but it actually worked.
No, this is proper non-stick, this pan. But look at that. Not bad. Made at the side of the beach here. Out the top box.
That's a skinny breakfast.
There we go, how's that?
It's alright.
Happy days, glorious sunshine.
Honestly, I didn't think you're gonna manage to make the egg.
This fire maple stuff is absolutely brilliant. I have to say, I really, really like it.
Very good.
Right, we're going to tuck in. Nobody wants to see us eat.
Seagulls.
Let's get it before they do.
Yeah, quick.
They're coming.
This looks better than yours, look.
You look so happy. That is definitely the wrong bacon. I mean, I'll give it to you. It does fit a sandwich perfectly. But that is definitely the wrong bacon.
No, it's not.
Proper bacon.
All cleared up now, leaving no trace. We didn't feed the seagulls either.
Although one tried to eat my drone just now. That was
Yeah.
close this time.
I really enjoyed this, and if anyone is interested in the fire maple grill, it's in the description so you can have a look.
You like that one?
No.
I'll tell you what, these VFRs make an awesome noise. I had the previous generation of that. Love that thing. GS. Tracer 900 GT. I had the 2017 one of them. Fantastic bikes. Problem is, it's an inline triple and that thing wants to play. F900 parallel twin from BMW. There's a Triumph Bobber and a Street Twin. That's one of the older GS's. Your brother's got one like that, Eva.
Yeah, it's in America now, actually.
What's he doing with it?
Well, he just rides around America for a couple of months and then comes home and then rides again, and he's going to Mexico, I think. Who knows?
That's a nice way to live, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we spotted over here a couple of really nice Tenere 700s, properly kitted out with all the Moscow luggage. That he's got everything, even the Moscow first aid kit. These guys are from Germany. And you can see they've been doing the TET in Sweden, Netherlands.
Quite cool, actually.
Really nice. Oh yeah, nice old Harley Sporty. Another old GS. And of course a couple of mighty Africa twins. You got to admit, you like Harley or not, that looks great in the sun.
I can push my own bike.
Of course you can. We were speaking to the couple who had the Teneres there. I was showing you the bikes there just now. And yeah, they were a really cool couple. They're travelling together and they're doing the TET. So they come over on the ferry and they're doing the TET down over Dartmoor and down Cornwall and back. Very nice too. Moving on, we don't really know where we're moving on to, but we're going to follow the coast back and perhaps stop for a little drink somewhere or something. Well, we passed this place on the way out, and this is the Colliford filling station. I believe it's a bit of a cycle themed coffee shop, but there's some really cool old petrol pumps and stuff here. I've never stopped there, so we're going to stop here and grab a coffee. So this is the Colliford filling station, and it was an original petrol station in like the 1930s. And there's photographs in there on the wall of the old hand pumps in the 1950s.
Yeah.
And then Shell bought it out, and looks like it's just been sort of kept as a keepsake since then. It's a cafe inside now. Oh, it's a really cool place.
The cafe looks updated since I last seen. So
Yeah, the last time I was told about this place, it was a push bike place inside, but yeah, it's very modern now. But yeah, very nice too. Nice stop.
I think we're just gonna have a blast going home on a longer route.
Yeah, it's a really
Terribly.
nice day. So we're going to take the country roads back and yeah, head home. But it's been a really good little weekend, isn't it? Really nice little
Really
camping
nice.
trip. It goes to show once again, we're always saying it, you don't have to go far to have a great time.
Alright, we'll see you next time.
Cheers.
Bye.